Making money with no initial capital or a small amount of money requires creativity, resourcefulness, and dedication. Here's a concise guide on how to start generating income with limited resources. Freelancing. Leverage your skills and expertise in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing to offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to share your knowledge, passion, or hobbies. Once you gain an audience, monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Sell unwanted items. Declutter your home and sell unused items on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Gig economy. Participate in gig economy jobs like Uber, Lyft, or food delivery services, especially if you own a vehicle. Online surveys and market research. Sign up for websites that pay for completing surveys and participating in market research like Swagbucks or SurveyJunkie. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring or coaching services in subjects you excel at through online platforms like VIPKid, Check Tutors, or Teachable. Content writing. Write articles, blog posts, or ebooks for clients or self-publish ebooks on Amazon Kindle. Freelance photography. If you have photography skills and equipment, offer photography services for events, portraits, or stock photography. Participate in affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale generated. Pet sitting or babysitting. Offer pet sitting or babysitting services in your local area. Use your hobbies. Monetize hobbies such as crafting, painting, or music by selling your creations online or at local markets. Online marketplaces. Start an e-commerce business using platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to sell handmade or drop-shipped products.